Hey everyone, welcome to today's quick tutorial on how to log in to TD Bank Online Banking. If you're new to this or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can get access to your account hassle-free. First off, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a device like a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whatever you prefer. Once it's open, type in the TD Bank website address, that's tdbank.com, and hit enter. You'll land on the homepage, which is clean and easy to navigate. Next, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login screen. Now, for step 2. Enter your login credentials. In the first field, type in your username or customer ID. Double check that it's spelled correctly, as it's case sensitive. Then, in the password field, enter your password securely. If you have two-factor authentication set up, which is a great security feature, you'll receive a verification code via text, email, or an authenticator app. Enter that code when prompted. Once everything is filled out, hit the Login button. If all goes well, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where you can view balances, transfer money, and manage your finances. But what if you forget your password? Don't worry. There's a Forgot Password or Forgot Username link on the login page. Click it, and TD Bank will guide you through the reset process, often by sending a verification link to your email or phone. A quick tip: always log out of your session when you're done, especially if you're using a public computer, to keep your information safe. And remember, TD Bank prioritizes security, so enable features like multi-factor authentication if you haven't already. That's all there is to it. Logging in should now be a breeze. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.